Hi everyone, in this video we'll see about the types of DC motors. So DC motors are similar to DC generators. So DC motors are classified depending upon the way of connecting the field winding with armature winding. So here DC motors are classified into DC shunt motor, DC series motor and DC compound motor. Compound motors again classified into long shunt and short shunt. So first one is DC shunt motor. In this type of DC motor, the field winding is connected across the armature winding and the combination is connected across the supply. So we can see the DC motor in the figure. So here field winding RSH. So we can see. So this field winding is connected across this armature winding. The totally connected across the supply voltage. So if you see the important relationship for the DC motor, the line current IL. So IL is equal to IA plus IS. If you apply the KCL at this point, so we can get IL is equal to IA plus ISH. The field current ISH, the current flowing in this field, ISH is equal to V by supply voltage divided by RSH, and supply voltage V is equal to AB plus IARA plus V brush drop. So generally V brush drop, what we will do for small rating machines, we will neglect. Next one, flux produced by the field winding is proportional to the current passing through it. So flux is proportional to ISH. So this is about DC shunt motor. Next we will see the DC series motor. So in this type of DC motor, so what is the connection here? The series field winding is connected in series with the armature and supply. Armature and supply is as shown in figure. So series field winding is connected across the series with the armature and supply as shown in figure. So this is series field winding is connected in series with the supply and armature winding. So this is the series field. So next one, so if we come to the important relations, IL is equal to ISC is equal to IA. So the current is flowing in this path is same. Next one, supply voltage V is equal to EB plus IARA plus ISC RSC plus V brush drop. Pi is proportional to ISC proportional to IA. So next one, compound motor. So this compound motor consisting of two parts. So both field winding in series and part of field winding connected in parallel. So it has both series and shunt field windings. So these are again classified into short shunt compound and long shunt compound motors. Now we will see the one by one. First one is short shunt compound motor. In this type of shunt motor is connected purely parallel with armature, and this series field is connected in series with the combination as shown in below figure. So in this type of motor, how the shunt field winding is purely connected to armature and series field winding is connected in series with the supply. So in coming to the important relations, IL is equal to ISC, IL is equal to IA plus ISH, supply voltage V is equal to EB plus ISC RSC plus IA RA plus V brush. But ISC is equal to IL, V is equal to EB plus IL ISC plus IA RA plus V brush. So this is about supply voltage. Next one, if you come to the shunt field current, ISH RSH, the voltage drop across shunt field winding is equal to V minus IL ISC. So V already you know, right? V is equal to EB plus IL ISC plus IARA plus V brush drop, right? So next one, by simplifying, ISH you will get V minus IL RSC by RSH equal to EB plus IARA plus V brush drop plus drop divided by RSH. So this is about short shunt compound motor. Next we will see the long shunt DC motor. So in this type of motor, the shunt field winding is connected across the combination of armature and series field winding is as shown in below figure. So the shunt field winding is connected in series with the both armature winding and series field winding. So this is a field winding, right? This is a parallel connection, right? So shunt field winding is parallel to both series field and armature winding. So next one, coming to the important relations. If you apply KCL at this point, IL is equal to ISH plus ISE. IS is equal to IA, IL is equal to IA plus ISH. ISH is V by RSH. So coming to the terminal voltage, V is equal to EB plus IARA plus ISC RSC plus V brush drop. So V is equal to EB plus IA into RA plus RSC plus V brush drop. So this is about a long shunt DC compound motor. So next one, characteristics of DC motor. So these statistics we will see in next video. Okay, thank you everyone.